In this video, we'll install the protective boot for the Manual Bimini 2.0. Begin the procedure with the Bimini top in the full down position. Take the protective boot and drape it over the frame and the Bimini top. Buckle the two lateral compression straps on either side of the Bimini frame rail. Gently tuck the center of the loose fabric into the center of the protective boot. Then secure it in place with the Velcro clasp. Tuck any excess material into the protective boot, then zip it safely closed. Then repeat this step for the opposite side to complete the protective boot installation procedure.